This is a Dynex dx-lcd37 TV. You see it's the power light's on, and what it does when you turn the TV on, power light flashes on and then it goes back into red. Do this one more time. And while it does that, the backlight comes on, and that's it. Shuts off. So we're going to take it apart and see what happens. Once you get your back panel taken apart, this is what you'll see. You have the one board here that's for more of your auxiliary ports. You got your main board here. You got your power board, part of your power board going to your main board. The main power supply, which is attached to your inverters. And you got your T-con board up here. Now we're going to take a quick look and see if there's any capacitors that are swelled up. And there's not anything up here that's swelled. So they're going to have to do a little more troubleshooting. I noticed there is some dark spots here. So it makes me wonder if we have a bad solder joint in that area. I'll get this board taken off and we'll see what happens. I want to do a quick look at the other stuff real quick. I don't see nothing. Alright, I'm going to take this board and we'll flip it over and we'll see if there's any bad joints that need to be touched up. And this is awful dark looking over here to be just some minor voltages. Well, there's definitely some bad solder joints in this area, especially on this side of the diode. Not too much on the resistors. There's one here. There's some joints here that I'll have to touch up. Same way over here. I'm going to go over with a soldering iron and we'll touch up this area here for the power supply section. Especially in this transformer here. Touch this all up. Touch on the other side. See what happens. Now if you had the same problem that I did, once you turn your TV on, you should see something in the bottom right corner. It says, please wait. And in the top right corner it shows you what the last input was used. So hopefully you got your TV fixed now. Leave me a comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.